The innovative Parts Cart B is one of our most popular products. It allows the user to customize their layout rapidly and in real time, adjusting it to work with their project. These are the easiest shelves in the industry to adjust. One of the qualities that make this model so popular is the patented high-carbon, heat-treated, quick-adjust Superlock brackets. The B Series provides 30% more shelf positions than any other parts cart. Each shelf is weight-rated to 125 pounds. They're worry-free and have upper side rails to prevent parts slide-off. The Parts Cart B also features 6 hooks, 2 adjustable support arms, and 2 bungee cords for maximum workspace benefit. The B Series is highly mobile, fitted with 4 industrial-grade total lock caster wheels. This is why Innovative Tools is the only company that guarantees their parts carts with a lifetime warranty.